How did humans lift 70-ton stones into the sky over 4,600 years ago? Was the pyramid truly just a tomb or something far more mysterious? Was it built by humans or aliens or something else entirely? And the biggest question, do we really know the full truth? Today, we explore the unsolved story of the Egyptian pyramids. And if you enjoy videos like this, subscribe to the channel now. Let's begin with fact number 10. Egypt has around 138 pyramids in total, but almost all the world's attention goes to just three: the Great Pyramid of Khufu, the Pyramid of Khafre, and the Pyramid of Menkaure. These three stand together on the Giza Plateau near Cairo, forming the most famous pyramid complex on Earth. While pyramids exist in other civilizations, none match the scale, precision, or mystery of Egypt's pyramids, which have survived thousands of years as if defying time itself. Fact number 9 is even more astonishing. The Great Pyramid is about 4,600 years old. Some sources say 4,500, others say 4,620. The difference comes from ancient calendars and historical dating methods, but scholars agree it was built around 2560 BCE during the reign of Pharaoh Khufu. At a time when most civilizations were still developing basic structures, Egypt was creating one of the most advanced engineering achievements in human history. Fact number 8 reveals its unbelievable scale. The original height of the Great Pyramid was about 481 feet, though today it stands closer to 460 feet. That's roughly the height of a modern 40 to 45-story building. What's even more shocking is that it remained the tallest man-made structure on Earth for nearly 3,800 years. No other building surpassed it until modern skyscrapers appeared. For almost 4 millennia, this single monument defined the limits of human construction. Fact number 7 deepens the mystery. Each stone block used in the pyramid weighs an average of about 2.5 tons, but some blocks weigh over 50 to 70 tons. These stones were transported from quarries miles away, cut with incredible precision, and fitted together so tightly that even today a blade cannot slip between them. No cement, no modern machinery, yet the joints remain nearly flawless after thousands of years. Fact number 6 challenges everything we imagine about ancient labor. The pyramid took about 20 years to build. Some estimates say 20 to 30,000 workers, others say closer to 100,000. The difference comes from varying archaeological interpretations, but evidence now suggests these workers were not slaves. Excavations near Giza reveal workers' villages, bakeries, medical facilities, and cemeteries where laborers were buried with honor. This wasn't forced labor. It was a massive, organized national project powered by skilled workers. Fact number 5 feels almost supernatural. Inside the pyramid, the temperature stays close to 20 degrees Celsius, about 68 degrees Fahrenheit, year-round, regardless of how extreme the heat or cold outside becomes. Scientists believe the stone mass and internal structure regulate the climate naturally, but achieving such thermal stability thousands of years ago without technology remains astonishing even by modern standards. Fact number 4 pushes the limits of precision. The pyramid is aligned almost perfectly with true north, south, east, and west. Its northern face, in particular, is more accurately aligned than many modern buildings created using advanced instruments. Even the base corners are nearly level, with differences measured in mere centimeters. How ancient builders achieved such geometric perfection without modern tools remains one of the pyramid's greatest technical mysteries.
Fact number 3 leads us into the biggest debate of all. Who built the pyramids? Some say aliens, some say jinn, others say humans. Archaeological evidence overwhelmingly supports human construction. Workers' tombs, settlement ruins, quarry marks, stone tools, and ancient records all point to organized Egyptian labor. But while the builders were human, the exact methods they used to transport and position massive stones with such accuracy remain partially unknown. So yes, humans built them, but how they did it remains one of history's greatest unanswered questions. Fact number 2 reveals their true purpose. The pyramids were built as tombs for Egypt's pharaohs. Ancient Egyptians believed the soul would return to the body in the afterlife, making preservation essential. The pyramid was meant to be an eternal home for the king, filled with treasures, symbols, and offerings for the next world. Yet no mummy has ever been found inside the Great Pyramid, adding another layer of mystery. Was it looted, or was it used differently than intended? And now, the most astonishing truth, fact number 1. The Great Pyramid was not just the tallest structure of its time, it was the most advanced engineering achievement the world had ever seen. Built without iron tools, wheels, or modern machines, it has survived earthquakes, storms, desert winds, and over 4 millennia of erosion. Evidence shows humans built it, but how ancient people achieved such precision, scale, and durability remains one of the greatest puzzles in human history. The pyramids remind us that civilization is built not only on technology, but on imagination, organization, belief, and determination. And sometimes humanity's greatest creations also become its greatest questions. Because some truths are discovered, some truths are lost, and some truths remain mysteries forever.